Hey, Steve with Clean Air Columbia again, real quick guys. I did a video last week, I don't know how many of you guys watched it, but we were talking about cleaning the ductwork as a whole, which includes part of the furnace and that sort of thing. So I'm on the job again today, and we're getting into the furnace here. I've already cleaned the blower fan, which was a disaster, but I want you to take a look at the furnace itself and some of the components in the furnace that are also affected by dust and dirt when it's not cleaned up or properly filtered before it gets into your furnace. So it's going to be a real quick short video. Hopefully if you're not able to be on here live right now, you'll be able to catch it after a while, and just shoot any questions you have. Just hit those in the comments there, or any comments, you know. I'd like to hear what you guys think about all this stuff. But I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you a couple things. I'm going to show you the filter first of all, and how they had the filter in there. So it's going to look like a normal good filter. I'm going to turn this around here. Oops, hang on just a second. Anyway, it's not spinning around for me. Anyway, there we go. Okay, so here is the filter that they've got in here, which is a nice beaded filter. Fits in there, looks good and everything. But let's take a look in the furnace itself. Got a light here so we can see. Look at all the dust and dirt. That's where the blower sits, is right in there. And so the filter actually sits right here against this wall. This wire right here is what holds it tight. So the filter's there. This is past the filter. This is all the dust that's gotten in around the filter and that sort of thing. So you can see how much dust and dirt's built up there, but what I really wanted to show you is up here, which is the heat exchanger. And if you can see how much dirt and crud is built up on that, there's quite a lot of nicotine from smoking in the house and that sort of thing. So with that being clogged up like that, they're not getting the airflow through there. So a lot of times people ask if cleaning the ductwork, if cleaning the ductwork is going to make things more efficient, and that's kind of a tough question to answer, because on some jobs it's really not, because they've got a good filter on there and everything's good and clean. But in a case like this, where that heat exchanger is clogged like that, yeah, it's definitely going to make a difference in the efficiency. And the fan too. If the fan is clogged, those blades are full of dust and dirt, it's not going to push as much air. So anyway, just another quick tip for you guys. Just wanted to keep you guys informed on this kind of stuff. Like I said, hit me up in the contacts or in the comments there, any questions you might have or any comments, and we'll check those out and shoot a message back to you. You can check us out online at Clean Air Columbia. Shoot us an email at info@cleanaircolumbia.com with any questions too. So you guys have a great day. Get out and enjoy this nice weather. I think we're supposed to be having some rain coming in maybe this weekend. So get a chance out, call in sick to work or something, and get out there and enjoy it. We'll see you.